Hey skincare lovers! Are you dreaming of dewy, plump skin? Today we're diving into the viral COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum, a true game-changer for dull and aging skin. This isn't just any serum. It's powered by an incredible 96.3% Snail Secretion Filtrate, nicknamed Mucin, to deeply hydrate and rejuvenate. Experience the magic as this lightweight essence absorbs instantly, leaving your skin feeling incredibly smooth and glowing without any heavy residue. It's amazing for soothing damaged skin and plumping fine lines, giving you that coveted youthful bounce. And the best part? It's ethically sourced, meaning no snails are harmed in the making of this incredible Korean skincare gem. If you're searching for the best hydrating serum or looking to combat dryness, this is your answer. Get ready to transform your complexion. You can find this amazing serum linked below for purchase. Trust me, your skin will thank you for trying this incredible COSRX find. I highly recommend giving the COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum a try if you want to elevate your skincare routine.